Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host, Nayab, bringing to you yet another episode on the Java Beginners Interview Series. So today we are going to do yet another question on the while loops. This is one of the most important questions, especially in while loops. And based on this condition, we have questions like palindrome, special numbers, and so on in the future. So please be sure to sit tight and try and understand this particular program at to the best of your abilities so that the rest of the programs that we do after this becomes very, very easy for you. So the question is, write a program to print the reverse of a given number, right? So, in order to get the reverse of a number, first we need to understand a number. Let us say the number is 12. Okay. Now, if you want to reverse a number, you'll get 21. Now, 12 is basically 1 times 10 plus 2, whereas 21 is 2 times 10 plus 1. Okay, so the last digit that we picked from here, we multiplied it with 10, and the first digit we picked from here, we added after that. Okay, that is literally the logic for getting a reverse number. Let me show you what do I mean by that. So if you remember or have seen the last few videos, we have already found out how to get the last digit. So we will get the last digit and simply be reversing it. So let us go ahead and write. So let's say int n is equals to 12. And this next part you already know, while n is greater than 0, then int ld, which stands for last digit, n mod 10, and then n is equals to n divided by 10. But in order to get reverse, we will have one more item. So we will take int reverse equals to 0 here, and here we will say reverse equals to reverse times 10 plus LD. This works exactly the same way. See, this is similar to this. You will find it. Okay, let us do a quick understanding, quick dry run of the same so that we understand it as well. So here, first of all, we will have n as 12, right? So n will be 12, reverse or rev will be 0, and then if we will check while n is greater than 0, n is certainly greater than 0, so we will get LD. LD is n mod 10. So n mod 10 is 12 mod 10, the remainder 12 divided by 10, remainder is 2. Okay, n is equals to n divided by 10. So this will become 1 for later on. Next, reverse is equals to reverse times tens. So right now, reverse is 0. 0 multiplied by 10 is 0 plus LD. LD is 2. So LD right now is 2. So this will become, reverse will become 2. Now we have reached the curly bracket, so it will go back again in the while loop. It will check. N is greater than 0. Yes, n is 1 right now, so it is greater than 0. So it will go inside and it will check. LD is equals to n mod 10. So 1 divided by 10, the remainder will be 1 only. So LD is 1. N equals to n divided by 10. So now 1 divided by 10, the quotient will be 0. Next, reverse equals to reverse times 10. So right now reverse has 2. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20 plus LD. LD right now is 1. 20 plus 1 is 21. So reverse has 21 right now. So we started with 12 and now we have 21. Meaning if we print this REV, SOPLN, if I go ahead and print REV, that will be your reverse value. Okay, so this is literally your program, and this is the same thing that happens with 3-digit numbers also. I hope the dry run is understood, right? Now, what happens with three-digit numbers is that, let us say if I take a three-digit number, let me erase a few things here. So if I take 123, so then the first time we will get is 3. So let me erase the entire dry run of this and let me show you how does this work. So right now we have n is equals to, 123. Rev is 0. While n is greater than 0, LD is equals to n mod 10. So right now the last digit is 3. So LD is equals to 3. N divided by 10, 123 will become 12. REV will be reverses zeros. 0 multiplied by 10 is 0 plus LD. So it will also be 3. LD has 3, right? So 0 multiplied by 10, 0 plus LD, which is 3. So therefore REV will also be 3. Okay. Now it will go back again, it will check. N is greater than 0. Yes, it is. So it will go inside and we'll get LD is n mod 10. So 12 divided by 10, remainder will be 2. Okay. Next, n is equals to n divided by 10. So divide by 10, we will get 1. Reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus LD. So right now reverse is 3. Right? So 3 into 10 is 30. 30 plus LD is 2. So 30 plus 2 is 32. This will become 32. Okay. Next time we will go back here. We will again check. N is greater than 0. Yes, it is because it is 1 right now. So LD will become n mod 10. So it will also have 1. Next, we will have n is equals to n divided by 10. So this will become 0 now. And lastly, we will have reverse is equals to reverse into 10. So right now 32 is there. 32 into 10 will become 320 plus LD. LD is 1. So 320 plus 1 will be 321. So the reverse of 1, 2, 3 is 3, 2, 1, and this is exactly what we are getting. Right? Now let me show you the same thing in the program as well. We have already done the dry run, so writing the program should be a piece of cake. Let us go ahead and just simply write it. So int num is equal, or rather n is equals to 1, 2, 3. Then we go int reverse is equals to 0. And then while n is greater than 0, then in that case int LD is equals to n mod 10. N is equals to n divided by 10, and reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus LD. Right? So that should be all. Now all we need to do is print reverse reverse number plus REV. Let's go ahead, save this up and run it. So 123 should be 321. If I write any number, save it, 5674, we should get 4765. 4765 is the answer. I hope this program is understood. Now, based on the reverse number only, we have questions like palindrome that we will be looking at in the coming videos. If you have any more programs that you would like for us to take up, you can always post them on the comments. Other than that, if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.